Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you're looking for the perfect backpack for personal item use when you're flying, look no further. This is the one to get. This is the Hynes Eagle 38-liter backpack, and I love it because I like to travel light, and this is the best backpack that I've tried for personal items so far because it fits perfectly under the seat in all of the airlines I have flied so far. It only has 3 pockets, and for me that's perfect because it maximizes how much stuff I can fit in there. I've tried other backpacks and they tend to have a lot of pockets, a lot of zippers, and a lot of extra layers, which in my opinion takes a lot of space out of the backpack that I could be using for my clothes. As you can see here, I fit so many clothes for a week trip. The quality of the material is excellent. It's very well made. The zippers are thick and sturdy. So if you're looking for the perfect personal item backpack, check this one out by Hynes Eagle, and that is my point of view.